So friends, before starting this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new update.
Today we are unboxing KD Mobile, means Mobile KD. So this is a Mobile KD. Here they have given a barcode for iOS and Android. For both they have given, so we can download a app. Then down they have given a how to put the pin in the mobile. Then they given how to put pin in the remote panel. At last they have given, if after we will put generate, that time we have to click on this. Example, this is wire, so we are doing the generating the remote from wire, so it is wire. And here all information they have given, and this is the remote. This is a mobile KD main part, and they have given a one pin and one remote. This is a free remote. Now we are unboxing it. So now we are unboxing this. So this is the remote we get, and this is a wire. This pin we get. After unboxing, we get a remote and a pin and main unit. So we get this much. After that, I have showed in my last video how to download mobile KD app. We have to download that, and they have given here two pin. For iOS one pin like this, and for Android one pin. So we can connect this to both the mobiles like Android and iOS. And one remote we get. Here KD logo is there. This remote is light is not coming now because we didn't put a cell. Now we have to open this. See, if you want to open, see, it is open. Next we have to open this. Now we get a panel here. We have to take out and see, this is the panel. Now you are thinking that why this pin has given. For this pin, see here, when we put a blade, see here, they have given a hole here, right? Example, that pin is putted inside. Now we have to open it. We have to keep here, and we have to press from here, so that pin will come out and we can take out the blade. Or we have to put the pin, means first keep here a blade, and one pin will come, we should put in the pin and we have to fix it. So this I have given with this. And now see here, one pin is there here. In this panel, see here, this has given. See the here also, see here two dots, and here also two holes are there. So like this we have to put in. After putting this cable, this cable we have to put in the Android mobile. After putting that wire, we have to open a app, Mini KD, mobile KD app. We have to open it. After opening, agree. Now I have updated this. If you have that Mini KD means you can also update. Now we have to go in the remote function. After remote function, remote, and here we get Audi, Benz, BMW, Chevrolet, all car companies named Aston, Ford, all car companies, Honda, Hyundai, all we get here. Now which car remote we have to do, that company we have to select. Example, first I will show you the first I will say if you want to do Audi, you have to search here, see A3 and all Audi models came, and after that Benz Smart, two remotes are there, we can generate it, and BMW also we can generate. And now we are moving to Ford. In Ford we can generate Ford USA and Ford F10, F50, and all remotes we get here. And next we are moving to, if you want to Mahindra Scorpio KV100, all remote we get. And next we are moving to how to do AutoCAD generate, means how to generate a AutoCAD remote. So we have to go in the KMD India. In KMD India we get the fourth option, AutoCAD. We have to click on that. After clicking here down we get the generate. We have to click on that. It is searching now. It is telling that search the Bluetooth. So we should not, we have to not search, means we have connected a pin, means we have to go back and open settings. After opening settings, OTG, on OTG. After owning OTG, automatic the app will open. Then remote function, remote, and KMD India, and fourth option, AutoCAD. We have to generate AutoCAD. Please wait for a moment. We have to download it. It's not downloaded means. So now it's completed. If you have doubt it generated or not, then once more we can try. See now generated. Next exit. Next we have generated the remote. So now we have to close it, means take out the PCB, and so before that we have to take a cell number is 2032, because many machines, many remotes we have get the 2032 cell. So now we have to fix it here. See here they are showing plus is down and minus is up, means we have to fix like this. It is fixed. Now we have to fix PCB in this one. Fix the PCB. We have fixed. Now we have to close it. See. So now light is coming. See here. You can see friends. Light is coming now. Now we have to, if you want to put a ID, here they have given we can put here idea, and we can put the MCLR something to stop it. Next we have to close it. Now I have generated in AutoCAD for Ascent. Any car AutoCAD box can come. So now we have to fix a blade. To fix the blade, see here, we have to this line they have given, this we should keep up, and we have to fix it down. Now it will not stop, so they will give a pin. I will show you. So now they will give a pin. See here, the pin, we have to put this pin in. Wait. So now we have to fix this pin inside. We have to put a pin, and from this we have to hit from hammer here, it will go in, so we can lock this blade to not come out. And if you want to remove also, same procedure, we have to put here and hit from hammer, so we can open this. So here blade is set in. Now we have to cut the key. So how to cut the key, that video I will make a next video, how to cut the key. Next video I will be show that. If this video is nice, then like my video and share my video.